Jamaica, and for today, we are going to solve an optimization word problem.
Problem goes like this. A sheet of cardboard measures 15 centimeters by 7 centimeters. 4 equal squares are cut out of the corners and the sides are turned up to form an open rectangular box. Find the edge length of the squares that were cut out to give the box a maximum volume. To understand our problem further, I made a visualization of our problem. So our length measures 15 centimeters and our width measures 7 centimeters. As for our height, I denoted it as the x.
From the problem, we are asked to find the length of the square to give our container the maximum volume. To do that, we are going to use the formula of the volume, which is equals to length times width times height. Substitute our values into our formula. So since our length will going to be 15 minus 2x, and our width is going to be 7 minus 2x. We are going to use the variable of x as our h, since we don't know the value of h yet. So now, we are going to use FOIL method to multiply these two. So 15 times 7 is going to be 105. And 15 times negative 2x is negative 30x. Negative 2x times 7 is going to be negative 14x. And negative 2x times negative 2x will be positive 4x squared. So now, we're gonna solve negative 30x minus 14x. So this will be 105 minus 44x plus 4x squared. So we're going to distribute x to this. So this is going to be 105 times x is 105x. Negative 44x times x, this is going to be negative 44x squared. Positive 4x squared times x will be positive 4x cubed. Now always remember, we should always arrange this first. So this will be 4x cubed minus 44x squared plus 105x. So now we are going to find the derivative of this function. So we're going to use the product rule to find its derivative. So 4 times 3x to the power of 3 minus 1 minus 44 times 2x to the power of 2 minus 1. So 4 times 3 is 12. 12x squared. Negative 44 times 2 is negative 88x. So this, we will use constant rule in this, so this will only be 105. So now, this is the derivative of our function. So at this point, we are now going to factor the derivative of our function using quadratic equation. So the formula for the quadratic equation is negative b positive b negative square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So we are going to substitute the coefficient of our derivative of the function into this equation. So 12 is going to be our a, negative 88 as our b, and 105 as our c. So in this equation, it's negative 88. So in our equation, it's now going to be positive. So positive 88 positive plus minus square root of 88 negative 88 squared minus 4 which is constant, and our a which is 12, and our c is 105 all over 2 times 12. So we are going to solve first the equation that is inside the square root. So this is going to be 88 negative 88 squared is equals to 7,744. Negative 88 squared. So 7,744. And now we're going to solve this. So negative 4 times 12 times 105, it is equals to negative 5,040. So So 2 times 12 is equals to 24. We are now going to subtract this one. So 7,744 minus 5,040 is equals to 2,704. So the square root of 2,704 is going to be 52. So this is 88 plus minus 52 all over 24. Now there will going to be two answers on this one since we're going to use positive and negative. So 88 plus 52 over 24 and 88 minus 52 all over 24. So we're going to solve this first. So 88 plus 52 is equals to 140 divided by 24. So our answer is 5.83. And now we are going to solve for this one. So 88 minus 52 is equals to 36 divided by 24. We are going to have 1.5. So from these two answers, one of them is our edge length of the cut out squares. To find out which is it, we are going to substitute these values to our original function, which is 4x cubed minus 44x squared plus 105. So first, we are going to substitute the value of 5.83. So 4 times 5.83 cubed minus 44 times 5.82 squared plus 105 times 5.83. So we are gonna get negative 90.74. At this point, we are now going to substitute 1.5 to our original function. So this will be 4 times 1.5 cubed minus 44 times 1.5 squared plus 105 times 1.5. So if we solve this equation, we are now going to get 72. So since 72 is larger or greater than negative 90.74, so this is our maximum volume. So that means that 1.5 is the edge length of our cutout squares. So our final answer would be 1.5 centimeters, since we are looking for the edge length of our cutout squares. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching and I hope you learned something from this video.